Thaddeus Arnold, I've been listening. You're obviously too incompetent to run this class. Hey, baby.
Listen, Zeus. Sure, it's my fault. I got the email from Eutrakis, and if you want to handle these morons, go right ahead, be my guest. You can take this class and shove it up your...
You're fired.
Oh, shit. Fine. I can finally get back to writing my screenplay.
Whoa. You work for Columbia whether you like it or not.
How am I a worker when I can't have a union?
You better go talk to Catherine about a new job.
Oh my God.
Oh,
You're like a god.
Okay. We gotta get down to business. That means getting down to business right away.
Anti-feminist bias.
Precisely, Lance. Class will now be 4 hours, and the readings will be much longer.
Yes.
Well, what about our other classes?
As new director of the Corps, I hereby announce that all non-core classes at Columbia are canceled.
What about C's?
You can forget about foo. Hit the books. Helen, can I see you for a second?
Yeah.
Hey, Helen, I was wondering if maybe...
Jason, hi. Do you think that I could give you my notes later?
But that...
Okay, all right.
That wasn't...
Okay, bye.
That wasn't...
Pretty good, huh?
Oh, Zeus, I mean, that was amazing. Nobody's ever stood up to Thaddeus like that before. Okay, actually, I have someone I kind of want you to meet. Zoe, come here. This is your father. You survived the storm!
I can't...
It's Zoe.
Oh, that's Zoe. Okay.
I mean, I can't believe it. Why don't we go to Eurus and catch up on the last 4 years of my life?
Well, your dad's pretty busy with work, and your mom and I are going to dinner later, but we'll work something out, okay? I promise.
Okay,
Oh, a late dinner at Le Monde? Zeus, you shouldn't have.
I told you I'd give you the world.
You're the greatest.
Say, is it always this active on Thursday night?
I don't know. Zoe and I don't really go out.
Well, in my opinion, they should be in Butler reading up on the assignment that I gave.
Zeus, I thought that we had a date.
It can wait. There is socializing going on, and it is getting late. Oh, yeah.
And struggle onward. A daughter tries to reunite with her long-lost father.
So, and then this one time, me and Jason were hanging out on the steps, and he told me this joke. He was like, what do you call a girl that goes overseas? Abroad. As a 5-year-old, I found it hilarious. And then, we went to Morgan Williams.
Are you actually still talking? You haven't shut up all day.
Okay. Jason never speaks to me like that.
Oh, why are you talking about Jason? He's just some stupid kid in my class. Stop being such a tool, Glowy.
Zoe! Jason is nicer than you because he remembers my name and he doesn't tell me to shut up.
Well, maybe that's because he doesn't have the authority to tell you to shut up. And I do. So shut up!
Well, I have the authority to do cartwheels, so... Ah! I fell!
Oh my God, that's funny.
I hurt myself.
Oh, still funny. Oh, no, don't cry. Please don't cry. Please don't cry. Come on. Okay. Suck it up. Go find a Band-Aid. Daddy's resentful.
Jason, look, I got a bum leg.
Oh, let me take a look at that. Okay, there we go.
Hey, Zeus.
Oh, hey, Hal.
Oh, sorry I'm late picking Zoe up. I had to stay at the office to handle the 4:20 rush.
No problem. We got along great. And may I add, you look radiant and intelligent today. Actually, I have a big surprise for you and Zorro.
No way. Wolverine would totally beat Superman.
Because Superman could just fly around the world backwards and make it go back in time.
All right.
Zoe, could you come over here?
Oh, Helen, hey.
Jason, hi.
Oh. Hello, Zeus.
Hello, Mr. Drabner. Nice to see you. Just got finished grading your paper, The Importance of Paragraphs in Antigone. Think you should spend a little more time studying and a little less time entertaining my daughter over here. Can you believe this guy, Helen?
Helen was my tutor.
Yeah? Well, this Helen obviously didn't do a very good job, did she, Helen? She did do a good job. You're just dumb.
Oh.
You dumbass. Hell, baby, pulled a few strings today. Got little, Joey here.
Zoe.
Right,
Zoe.
Bowie into the school.
What?
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
No.
Oh, Zoe. It's gonna be okay.
Oh, Zeus.
Did I just hear a PDA?
Oh. Always a bridesmaid.
Oh, Zeus. Oh, thank you so much for getting her into the school.
Anything for you, Hel. Let's go celebrate. Where should we go? Quit whining. I did what you asked. The school is changed.
Oh, I didn't want to just make changes, Zeus. I wanted to make things more interesting, not get out of control.
Things are going fantastic, and I've still got some big plans.
More plans? What's next? Better housing?
Oh, please.
What, a new gym?
What are you talking about?
Increased financial aid?
What am I, God? No. I'm taking women out of the core syllabus. I was looking at the reading list, and Wollstonecraft and Wolfe and Austen are just weighing it down. How do you like that?
Yes.
I mean, it's lit hum.
Not tit hum. Oh,
A
high
five.
five. Oh,
Don't worry, kid. I got everything under control.
all right.
Is any... Oh gosh. Oh.
Ellen.
Oh, yes.
boy.
Call me Helen.
Helen.
Zeus.
Wait.
Who is that? Oh, the snacks. Beloved, have you ever licked garlic hummus off of your lover's neck?
Helen, what are you doing here?
Oh, I mean, I just came to deliver the snacks, and then I walked in, and Oh, no. No.
Oh, wait, Helen, you can't go. Remember 5 years ago. Remember our song. You are my fire, the one desire.
Of course I remember.
When I say,
Darling, why are you singing our
want it
song?
that way. What?
Oh, sweet Jesus. You were singing to this girl? Zeus, you've been cheating on me? Oh, it's over. Everything's ruined. Everything's terrible. What do I gotta do? I gotta do something. I'll get the forms. That's what I'll do. I'll just get the forms. That'll be fine. I'll just get the forms. The fucking forms! Ah!
I don't believe this. Eutrochus and your secretary. I didn't even make the top two.
Oh, Helen, come on. Helen, wait!
Who was that? My stallion?
Just one of my students.
Oh! Can I be one of your students? Oh, Mr. Teacher, my margins are so big. Aren't you going to mark them up with your red pen?
I'm going to fill them with my comments. Oh. I am making this school a better place.
No, you're not. You're just taking away everything that matters to us, like hot girls in our lit hum sections.
Helen? Are you talking about my Helen?
She's not your Helen.
Oh, yeah? On my desk. There's a framed picture of her. See? See this? It's framed. It's on my desk. So I can look at it all day while I'm making even more improvements.
More improvements? Zeus, that's it. You have gone too far. Just then, Zeus realized that he had gone too far.
Oh, Homer, please. I'm a Columbia official. I have more power than you'll ever have.
You know what? You may have Helen, but at least her daughter doesn't think I'm a complete deadbeat.
Oh, Joey?
Zoe. You don't even know your own daughter's name.
Oh, that's enough. How do you like lit hum, Jason? Well, as your teacher, I see your last paper deserved an F. As your advisor, this means you're failing. And as the Dean of Academic Affairs, I've decided to expel you. Jason, it may be hard to believe what I tell you, but listen, boy, Helen, it seems, has already made up her mind. And I am the kind of lover she needed. You should have conceded. Remember that heroes have fallen before. You're just one more.
But Zeus, Jason is not supposed to fall. Not in my story, not like this. I just can't find my way to tell...
Oh, a blind poet who lost his way. How pitifully ironic. Your incompetence is beginning to bother me. Homer, you fool, how dare you try to control me? When I'm a god, students and faculty bow to my every whim. The outlook is grim for our fair narrator, misguided creator. Remember that mortals have fallen before. He's just one more.
Where did we go wrong? How long have we before he gets too strong? This is no longer pretend. Will our social life end at the hand of the God we offend?
How are we gonna work things out?
Zeus is here now, so we don't despair.
I wanted Daddy more than life itself, and not a stupid God who doesn't care.
Jason, it may be hard to believe what I tell you
Here
here.
now, so we don't despair.
Helen, it seems, has already made up her mind. I'm the kind of lover she needed.
Here now, so we don't despair.
You should have conceded. Remember that heroes have gone, who doesn't care. Just one more.
What have I done? How did my villain get out of control? What have I done? How did my villain get out of control? What have I done? How did my villain get out of control? What have I done? How did my villain get out of control? Zeus has gone mad. Things are looking bad.